Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025 and need to move your Tether, USDT, from Bitmart to Metamask, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Metamask. If you haven't already, download the Metamask app or extension and create a wallet. It's super straightforward and essential for handling Ethereum-based tokens like USDT. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section to find your Tether balance. Double-check that you have enough USDT to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees involved. Next, go to the withdrawal page. Select Tether, USDT, from your list of assets. This is crucial. Choose the correct network. For Metamask, you'll want the ERC20 network since USDT on Ethereum uses that. If you pick the wrong one, your funds could go missing, so pay close attention here. Now, open your Metamask wallet and copy your wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Make sure you're copying the right one. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review the details, and hit confirm. You'll probably need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After you initiate the transfer, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your USDT appear. A quick tip: always double-check everything to avoid costly mistakes. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video. Stay safe out there.